So I'm about to make a smoothie. I'm super excited to make this basic, simple smoothie. Now let's get it. Update time. So it is literally 4 o'clock. I kid you guys not. 4 o'clock. So I just woke up from a nap. So yeah, I'm about to like do my makeup and stuff. I want to do something simple today, and I'm not gonna do much. I can't even talk. But yeah, so yeah, my sleep schedule has been off, y'all. I swear I have not been getting any sleep. So yeah, my sleep schedule has been off, so that's why I've been taking naps, y'all. If you know me, you know I don't take naps. You know I don't take naps, but I had to take one today because I was super tired and sleepy, and plus I got up early. So yeah, let's do my makeup.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready, yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready, yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still waiting for, I'm still wanting more, yeah. I know just what to do.
I literally forgot to vlog yesterday. Well, the rest of the day, I forgot to vlog. But yes, your girl is back with another, well, it's the same vlog, but yeah. So today I'm gonna actually go to my friend's house because my friend is here. Say hey, Michelle. What's popping? Don't mind me just watching. Anyways, y'all, so I'll be going over her house. So I want to talk to y'all, but I might just do it in the next vlog. Sorry today, the vlog is short today. I really did not plan on cutting it short because I had something. Well, I have something to tell y'all, but it'll have to be in the next vlog, which is Friday. Well, which is Saturday. Sorry. Which is Saturday. So just stay tuned to that vlog because I really want to tell y'all in this vlog, but I'll tell y'all in the next vlog. So yeah, with that being said, I'm about to pack up my stuff and go to my friend's house, and then I will begin a new vlog. No, I don't know, it depends. But yeah, yeah. Y'all, I'm a mess. But I will talk to you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was a short one, but I still hope you guys enjoyed, and I really love you guys, and I am still going to tell you guys what I want to tell y'all in the next vlog, which is Saturday. So I'll see you then. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.